Monte Parma. Monte Parma. Love it.
Yeah, I'm glad you enjoy. Oh, so we're doing it. Good?
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy? Okay. The Big Dig of Boston. What?
Yeah, so the car, there was a Tesla. But
Hey, they don't like Tesla. We are under the water, right? Merrimack River.
no, it's the Boston Harbor.
Oh, Boston Harbor.
Charles River.
Charles River in Boston.
But that's the harbor. Boston Harbor.
There you go. We're going in that place. You see that? Logan. Oops.
Fantastic. Well, this last time I put me out here back in 37.
It's nice and not a lot of people.
Oh, just the wine.
Yeah.
That's a lot of work.
I'm sorry. Why paying extra $1,000 for upgrade in business class when you have 4 seats in a row all by myself? 4 seats in a row. See that? The Philippines, you don't have to wait on December to eat it. Just go to Manila Hotel and you will have bibingka and puto bumbong. Lapit kayo doon.
Na kayo doon. May the good Lord bless you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
This is the Ilang Ilang restaurant at Manila Hotel. So that's why you call Ilang Ilang. You got a lot of Ilang Ilang. But I don't smell it. Ooh, creme brulee. Strawberry mousse.
Pero wala picture eh. Sama.
Sorry.
So tama ka po siya.
Salmon. Sorry po. There's a duck. Ano to? Bakit meron dito?
Pwede naman
Reject?
parking.
Ha?
Parking.
Anong parking?
Parking po. Nakakuha niya, nakasave.
Ah,
Ilan?
Sa iba ka na lang. Sa iba ka na lang bumay. Kunin mo isang basa
look at that. How much the kilo again?
1, 2.
Alright. And this one, oh my God, malambot na ang duhat.
Len, ako na yan marisibo, Len. Dami namin ito. Asan na ang pala mangustin ko?
Pangasinan ka.
Mangustin, 4 kilo.
Woo! 2 kilo na lang yan. 2 kilo na lang.
Ay. Uy, magkano lang.
Magkano kayo?
100. May bago doon, isang box.
Magkano dito?
8,000.
Ayoko naman ng isa.
Ay, maganda doon po kami ka.
Mama
May,
ako
may
doon.
cherries na ako pala. Maganda.
1 kilo na lang yan kasi ako lang kakain mga kapatid ko dito sa Pinas. Palagi silang kumakain yan.
Sa Pinas.
Ito ang beauty na tindera ng
Farmers! Galit na bagay!
Sige na, bigyan mo ako ng magkano
Mark,
kilo?
kuha mo si Ma'am na nagagay.
Magkano yung kilo ng cherry?
Mama, may baby discount din. Where's my mango stick?
The siniguelas, but it's not good for my belly. Pinahanap mo na ako ng marang. Beauty.
Dun sa ano sa likod yun. Alam mo ba namin? Yeah, 180 lang.
Oh, persimmon. How much? Ito.
250 isa. New Zealand yun eh.
Okay.
May 20 na daw, 20. Wala ate. O, kayo na lang po ate, wala.
We are at the market, farmer's market at Cubao.
Yung presyo mo, ito na. Oh. 360.
Sa ubas, magkano to?